It's fully winter now, so get your thermals on, get out into the garden and let's get cracking. Here's a checklist of what you could be doing in your garden in New Zealand this June. Now is a great time to be planting Daphne. With its beautiful fragrant flowers, it's a great asset to your garden. Plant somewhere with moist, well-drained soil that's partly shade and sheltered from strong winds. It will cope with a light frost and will grow about a metre high. Why not add a dash of colour with these hellebores? They're tough, easy to grow and come in a huge variety of colours. Plant beneath a deciduous tree so they get light in winter and shade in summer. Now is a great opportunity to plant citrus trees, as well as apples, peaches and nectarines. Winter is a really good time to plant new trees and shrubs, as well as new season's roses. And what kitchen is complete without garlic? Get them in this month, so they'll be ready to harvest in December. Here are some of the things you can harvest in June. There's kale, broccoli, cabbage, parsnip, silver beet, cauliflower, spinach and beetroot. In June, it's a really good time to be pruning fruit trees that have finished fruiting and have dropped their leaves. Prune back to a healthy bud so that next year you get really good growth and good fruiting. If you're growing wildflowers, it's a good time to collect seed now, ready for planting in spring. Don't neglect your veggies. Give them a nudge with a complete vegetable fertilizer. Finally, consider putting frost cloth or protection around delicate plants to give them a fighting chance on those really cold mornings. There's lots to do in the garden in June, so really put in the effort now and you'll be rewarded in spring. And if you need any help, come into Bunnings and come and talk to one of our friendly garden team members. Click here for more garden advice, or click here to go back to the website.